Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer USDT from OKX to your Tonkeeper wallet step by step. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, let's start by opening your Tonkeeper wallet. Here we select USDT and then tap receive. At the top you will see your USDT wallet address and a QR code. Now click on copy to save the address to your clipboard. This address is for USDT on the Ton network only. Make sure you're transferring using the Ton network, otherwise your funds could be lost. Alright, now let's head over to OKX. Inside OKX, tap on Assets, then select Withdraw. Next, choose Withdraw Crypto. Find and select USDT from the list. When asked to choose a withdrawal method, select On-Chain. Now tap on the address field and paste the address you copied from the Tonkeeper. Before moving on, make sure the withdrawal network is set to Ton. This is crucial. Selecting the wrong network could result in a failed transfer. You might see a section asking for a comment. This is only necessary if the receiving platform requires it. Since Tonkeeper does not require a comment, we can leave this field blank. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Also, double check that the funds are being withdrawn from your funding account, not your trading account. Once everything looks good, the submit button will activate. The submit review transaction summary carefully and then confirm. After a few minutes, you will see your USDT successfully arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet. And that's it. A full guide on transferring USDT from OKX to Tonkeeper in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.